Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your EA Play subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your membership is properly ended and no future charges occur. Step 1. Open a web browser on your desktop or mobile device and go to the official EA website. Log in to your EA account using the email and password associated with your subscription. Step 2. Click on your profile name at the top right corner of the page, then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the Account Settings, navigate to the Subscriptions tab. Here, you will see all active subscriptions associated with your EA account, including EA Play. Step 4. Locate your EA Play subscription and click on Manage next to it. This will open details about your membership and billing cycle. Step 5. Click on the Cancel Subscription or Cancel Membership option. EA may ask you to confirm the cancellation and provide a reason for leaving. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete the process. Step 6. After confirming, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period. You will not be charged for future months. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation message from EA confirming the cancellation. Keep this email for your records in case any billing issues arise. Step 8. Log back into your account and verify under the Subscriptions section that your EA Play status shows as canceled and no future payments are scheduled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.